Redo. 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 Okay, redo. Ready?
Should I shut it off? Okay.
You're dying.
I'm wheezing. I'm wheezing.
Are you dying?
I'm wheezing. Alright, I'm good. I'm good.
Baby.
I'm just not gonna look at the screen while you're doing it. I'll count. Wait, it's blurry.
Ready?
I'll count to 5 and then you'll go. Or I would say 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. Was that long enough? Was that long?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? It's on the top of the stairs. Some of the pile.
Why did you take the whole thing?
Cause it was big. Right. Never stop.
Was that long enough for the
I
soup?
said never stop.
Never stop, but was that long enough? Do we need to do the banana thing again?
Don't stop.
No, seriously.
Believe.
Seriously, do we need to do the banana thing again? Or is
Oh
that...
yeah.
Okay, well, I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Obviously, you're not ready.
Okay. Why am I doing this? What the fuck?
I don't know. You said something about an intermission.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, go. No, you're laughing. It's not gonna work.
Don't stop.
I'm not stuck. Oh shit! Can I shut it off now?
No.
Continue.
Yeah. What?
Okay, I have a couple questions to ask you. Come here, please. Here. We need a new Oh, excuse me.
You like, Vera, I have a few questions, and you looked really pissed off.
You look pissed off. And sound very pissed off.
I only left them over there because
okay.
we're leaving again at 2.
Well, see,
I can glaze all this over.
When
Are
she
you
said
ready?
you were going
Julie,
to
put
sleep,
it
I
on
thought
me.
you would go sleep for the afternoon. I'm
Put
having
it on
someone
me.
come over.
No.
Put it on me.
It's on you.
I can glaze all this over, Mom.
There's nothing to glaze over.
Oh, you shall not be
Okay, this started as a 5-second banana bit. We're now on 4:30.
Good. Then you get the more the better.
I'm gonna 1, 2. Wait till I say go.
I have to get into it. Shut up.
Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Is that good?
No.
That's good. That's long enough. That is long enough.
Wait.
That is long enough.
One more time.
For how long? So I can count in my head.
Just count to 15.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.